Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Another morning, another cars and coffee. Let's get this cold start. Wake up, everybody. What a beautiful morning. Nice and cool and crisp, not a cloud in the sky. That doesn't happen a lot. Be right back. All right, we got a few drinks. My coworker's birthday today, and he has to work, so I'm bringing him a big old Nas, and then that'll be after I leave here. And then today's energy drink, the Rain Storm. These are those like the new Rains that have like the all natural stuff in them. But the Rain Storm Clean Energy Kiwi Blend. These ones are fire. So I have that one for now. And I have peach nectarine for at work.
A few minutes later.
All right, and we're here. Let's get the old can open and ready. Yeah. Bottoms up. Salud. Delicious. Dude, this wide body one goes hard. Freaking hard, bro. Whoa. Ooh, a chaser. You don't see a lot of those. And registered for the States. Kind of getting into the coupes lately. Could go for another BRZ. Another BRZ. I know I have a Miata, but I don't know. It doesn't feel like a coupe because it's a soft top. Maybe it'll feel different when I get a hard top. But also, check this out. A wagon, brother. With the classic BMW insane fitment. And then look at mine over there. I don't know if you can see it from here, but I need to go down just a little bit more. Maybe another 1/4 inch in the front. Get some tuck going in the front. Shout out to Brando. He sold me my Miata. And this is his beautiful 46 M3. Just like his plate says. It's Christmas. This is new. I've never seen this before. A right-hand drive Toyota wagon. Yeah, I've never seen this before. Just in general, I've never seen this kind of car. Crazy yet.
I know.
The ankle kit on there is crazy. Come look at this though. This has got to be the cleanest Miata I have ever seen. It's got obviously it's LS swapped, but it's got the fog light deleted front bumper. Tint all around. It's even got front tint, bro. That's nutty, dude. I need window tint. It makes it look so much better with tint on it. Like, seriously. This thing is also just so clean. I don't even know where to look. It's just clean. Jesus. It's clean 360 degrees. Oh, goddamn. Goddamn the exhaust. Now, what the hell is this? What is this? It says a Nissan Figaro. It's a little teeny tiny convertible. Interesting. I have never ever seen or heard of this little car. I wonder, it's probably like a 4-speed or maybe a 5-speed. It's weird though. For my truck followers out there, dude, this thing looks sick. The fitment, the welds, the nittos. I am a fan of big wings. This dude's dedication though, cutting into a super bumper. He did good though. Not bad. Better than I did on my BMW. Bro, this thing is long as hell. That's what she said. But I love it. I love these old like square Volvos. It's a vibe. Damn. There are not very many cars, if any, that could rock the brushed aluminum look. Sorry. But this one certainly is one. My man's doesn't have a door handle. I do like this wood though. The wooden bed cover, I like that. This color goes hard. clean. I need to get a diffuser. I think that's next for the R. A rear diffuser. Bro, this Mickey Thompson's a chute. Removable hood. Full cage. I got a bunch of comments on my last video saying that the Alpina isn't even that rare. That Alpina BMWs are super common in Europe, so they're not rare. But my guy, this isn't Europe. This is the US of A. So they are rare. Like, I'm glad you see them all the time in Europe, but we don't see them all the time here. That doesn't mean they're not rare. This is pretty crazy, actually. This color is sick.
I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off. Two red devil looking eyeballs. And I'm finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light. And I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. It's gonna get live. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack. And I'ma spend every dime in my money back. Everybody wanna know. If you're ready, let me know.
I want to get a hook for my steering wheel as well, so I don't have to throw it on the floor. Pretty sick. Oh, they even got the Hot Wheel for it. That's what's up. Alrighty, y'all. I'm sleepy, so I'm hanging out in the car, but I gotta get to work now. So with that, we're gonna go ahead and head on out of here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Check out all of my other Cars and Coffee footage on my channel, as well as tons of other stuff working on this car, my Miata, all kinds of cool stuff. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Drink water, be safe. I'll see you in the next video.